Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 134 of Surah Baqarah. A'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Tilka ummatun qad khalat laha ma kasabat walakum ma kasabtum ولا تسألون عما كانوا يعملون. Tilka. For kasra, give E sound attached with lam. Lam will get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Lin, Umar are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, it gets sifa of tawassut, and the tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Til, this sound is tawassut. Tilka, ka is short. For dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with meme. And the moment you will touch meme, your lips should be in a straight position, because if you will not change the position of dhamma and you will keep it on meme, it will give you the sound of meme with dhamma. So meme doesn't have dhamma here. So keep your lips straight as soon as you pronounce meme. And you will give ghunna. You will keep the sound in your nose, because noon and meme are 2 gunna letters in Quran. Whenever these are with tashdid, you give a longer period of gunna on it. And for fatha, open your jaws. This is gunna, and fatha is short. Ma, tung. This is ikhfa, and this is heavy ikhfa, because qaf is among heavy letters. So the ikhfa should be heavy. What are the steps of ikhfa? First of all, you are not pronouncing the sound of tanween. You are going towards the makhraj of qaf, and you are keeping sound in your nose. Tung, qad, off is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws and attach with dal. Dal is with sukoon, and here it is getting sifa of qalqala, because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, it gets a sifa of qalqala. Qad, kha is heavy. Let's, you will give hams on ta, because فحسه شخص سكت, and ta is one of them. So these are the letters. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, it gets sifa of hams, and hams is a flow of breaths. قالت, la, short. Ha, 2 counts long. Ma, 2 counts long. Ka, ka is a light letter. For fatha, open your jaws. Ka, sa, short. Bet, for fatha, open your jaws and attach with ta. Ta is getting sifa of hams. فحسه شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, it will get sifa of hams, and hams is a flow of breaths. كسبت, wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, short. Wala, kum, for dhamma, circle your lips. Attached with meme, this is idgham shafawi. Whenever you find meme after meme, meme sukoon, after meme sukoon you find meme, and this is called idgham shafawi. You are merging one sound into another, so you are merging meme sound into meme. This is called idgham shafawi, because this meme is pronounced from your lips. So shafa is a lip, it's called lip in English. So shafatain. So this is called idgham shafawi. Walakum, for ma 2 counts long. You are giving gunna here, because idgham shafawi gets gunna definitely. Walakum ma ka. Kaf is a light sound. For fatha, open your jaws and give a very short sound. Ka, sa, kasab. Sin is attached with ba. Ba will get qalqala, because kutubu jaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, get sifa of qalqala. Sab, tum. For dhamma, circle your lips. Give tawassut on meme. Whenever meme is with sukoon, it gets sifa of tawassut, and this is among lin umar. Lin umar are the 5 letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, gets sifa of tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Tum. This is the main application. So this sound should be there. Kasabatum. Wa. For wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La, 2 counts long. Wala. Tus. For dhamma, circle your lips. Give safir on seen. Give rakhawa on seen, and seen is light. Tus. How can you listen how sharp that sound is? Like you feel something, like a pin is uh, pin is poked in your ear. Yes, this is as teasing, but it should be like this. The sound should be like this. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's kalam, the speech of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, is beautiful. It has all the colors, it has all the this beauty of Quran. I cannot even explain really. So tus with very sharp sound. Lu, 2 counts long, and for dhamma, circle your lips. Na, wala tus'aluna. Na, short. Ain from your throat, and attach with meme. Meme will get gunna, because whenever you find meme and noon with tashdid, you create gunna, and this is a longer period of gunna. So and then this is long too. Ma, this is a long vowel, because this is part. Look, this belongs to this combination. So this will be 2 counts long. All these combinations are two counts long combinations. Amma. Ka, 2 counts long. No. For dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long, because this is part of this combination. Waw sakina qablaha madmum. Yeah, is a very sharp, soft letter. For ain, give the wasut. It should be from your throat very clearly. Yeah, ma is short. Lu. The mad added lisukun is activated, because noon got a temporary sukun because of the waqf. We are stopping at the end, so the 2 longer will be converted into 4 now. Yeah, malu. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.